Through the muck. No telling, you just don't know where there could be something in the water, you know?
Be careful with the bite, because
that's a long throw.
You're the chap who posts all the magnet fishing stuff on YouTube.
Yeah.
I've seen a few of those.
Oh, right. I found the barrels of a double shotgun the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put that one up. Just the barrels, there's no trigger or
Alright.
arm on it, like, but definitely 2 double barrels.
I wouldn't be surprised to find more of that sort of thing around here with the
Well,
armour and
it's obviously
everything.
been cut off, and bits been thrown here and bits been thrown there, I suppose.
Yeah.
That's a little guy.
Yeah, let me have a little go first, mate. Keep going.
it's Grandad's toy.
That nearly took the whole thing.
That's true though, isn't it? You've got the
So I'll let you have a little go when you get further back.
you've got the thingy around here, haven't you? The
Royal small arms.
Got something.
And go home and tell his missus.
I missed someone famous today off the internet. Oh, that was mental.
Hang on a second.
That's crazy.
Well, don't you really?
Oh, you're the guy off YouTube.
Because off the bike says, yeah, good one about my shoulder.
I'll just push him in on.
Put that there, and then I know I ain't going to leave you in, don't I? There we are.
Take the pushtail with you.
That's one from them.
Too close, I can't swim.
Yeah, there's definitely something on there. Oh. Whoa, bike chain. First find of the day. Woohoo! Bike chain.
Right.
Quite heavy. So I don't know what it was.
Poppy, don't take it off.
Oh, got hold of it again.
You bring up your body on like some weight.
Oh, darn.
Fuck me.
Now,
Bloody hell. It's fun because you don't know what you're going to get, but also you're cleaning the river.
They're cleaning the river, you just put them wrong.
I'm going to throw you in a minute.
Okay?
Ah, no, you go in yourself, you know.
Stuff wrong with them.
yeah, it's all happening today.
Kind
isn't
of around the edge, aren't they, today?
it? Mm. It's a moor. I would think they use it as a mooring peg.
That's the whole thing. Can I see it?
You get a lot of that magnetic stuff on the bottom.
Yeah.
Right around here.
It's like little bits, isn't it?
There's that one. You can tell them when they get home, your father's a star. I was called a legend by somebody on there the other day.
Really?
Said, you guys are legends. Good enough, mate. Good enough.
Nice to be recognised for your
Got my first bottle top.
yeah, first time. See how many people clicked that?
God, what was stuck on something there.
What?
Something's on it.
Got bad vision. Try to get back. Foot off that. If that's round your ankle, you're gone.
Another boulder. Have to be careful.
That got me wet. That got me wet.
Don't go far.
Mommy, yeah.
You can go and film. File. A bit of silver. I was saying to her earlier, I think there's some leaflets printing up. Just give them out to people when something talking about. Got a website on it, mate. You can see a car. I can see a lot of cars.
When I was going to go,
Probably not across the way.
It's got you, Dana. She's probably tired.
No?
Well, they, you know, school day, they don't want to get up.
No.
School holiday, they're up a lot.
Rest day, innit?
I'm Granddad.
Did you?
You can see that I got wet because it went on my face. Look, Mum. You can see I got wet.
It's lovely.
Exhausted. You think,
Well, hopefully
she's
this
done
will help
it
me
with
sleep
the
tonight.
magazine, you know what I mean? But it wasn't the case like
Yeah.
that.
What is there?
Careful your rope thing, people.
Maybe it's because stuff went in her eyes.
She's got up early, she probably is
Don't,
tired.
don't. Got me wet. That's what.
Right, stand back a bit, please.
Mum, I want to jump in. I want to.
Get size that now, that's
It's not, like,
massive.
it's not like jumping in a swimming pool.
That's a big now.
You've got a lot of nasty things in there.
That's on here.
Okay.
That's a big now. Don't
Mum.
put your legs in.
Okay. Look at
Wait a minute, Baba. Right, put it down here.
big. Oh, Mum. Oh.
Oh, got raised leg. Standing nice place.
There. Tied it.
That can go down on a photo. Big now. Big now.
Fell in. Oh, there's wood. Oh, there's a wood there. There's my foot. What? You know you can't come with me.
No.
I'm going to throw you in.
Alright?
Alright.
What?
I'm going to throw you in the water, see if I can find some metal.
Get back.
Yeah. Pop up. You just can't predict what's going to come out. I think you might have a bit more luck when you look back, you know.
Come on! Mom! I think you're stuck!
You walked it on the pushchair.
Yeah, National Scent in it. Pushchair's going to go in.
Brilliant! Papa! Are we stuck? Oh. Dad? Let's have a little walk.
Another bit.
What's the date?
6th of April.
Yeah.
Corrected by my grandson, it's the 6th of April.
Mum, 6th of April, Thursday 2017.
Alright, no.
Yeah, no, Mother.
Oh God, now you're going to tell me I haven't taken. Stay there, there's a lot of bites.
Come on, mate. You can't believe you eat it. Back. Why? Come on. 8, 9.
Get away from the water, Fred.
Back.
Get back.
Back.
Move on a bit in a minute, okay?
Okay, so let's go.
And it's bent.
That's like another boat thing now, isn't it?
I believe it's an hour, a big sort of bolt.
Let me have a throw. Careful. You okay? Okay, come here.
Oh, Fatty. Oh, Fatty.
Wait, the spikes. Stop.
Where's Freddie gone? That bloke will be on YouTube.
Look, it's like a surfboard.
What did you get, Grandad?
They call them Jubilee clips.
Bye. Bye. Come
Thank you. Thank you. The size of the magnet. You know what I mean? You could just be passing things all the time, like, but you just that little bit out. From grabbing it.
You don't know what you're going to get. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Unless you look at the one that tells you.
I'm not fishing, I'm throwing a magnet in. I'm taking out metal. I'm not fishing.
If you've got a permit, you're allowed to fish, Russia. Just don't know if you've got a permit or not. That's sad, I like fish. Just have to walk from my house over there all the way over.